No name, hi. Chupapi, hi. Frank, where's now? Triped, you send your WhatsApp to me. Guys, if you have WhatsApp, you send it to me. I will message you there. Marcos, good morning. How are you, Marcos? Triped, you send your WhatsApp to me. Broccoli, hi. Go gorgeous, do you have work? Frank, where's your WhatsApp, Frank? Hi, Sean. Good morning. Joey Tom, hello. I sent. In the inbox, not here. Not here in the comment. Hi, RP. Not here, Frank. You sent in the inbox. Wait, wait, I did not receive. I did not receive, Frank. Hakdo, hello. Hi, Dave. I will message you in the another account. Frank, wait for me. Hi, Tuko. Wait, Junaid. Marcos, do you have the WhatsApp? You send your WhatsApp to me. Hi, Sol. Goldie, hello. Hamad, hi. Wait, Frank, I will. Amber Ann, hello. Triped, hello. Hamad, you send your WhatsApp to me, Hamad. Go gorgeous, thank you. Amber Ann, hello. Good morning. AJ, hi. Hi, Amber. Did you see Frank? Hamad, what are you doing? Aprison, hello. Yoshi, hi. Sanzoku, hello. Hi, Sanzoku. Good morning. Thank you, Chris. Mr. Roach, hello. Good morning. Yoshi, hi. Hi, Demo. Connect, hello. Triped. You send your WhatsApp now. Hi, Black Tiger. HP Life, hello. How are you, HP Life? Jeff, good morning. How are you, Jeff? Jose Gart, hello. Jeff, tagasan ka? Hi, Jack. Good morning. George, what are you doing? Triped. Jack, where are you now? Hotspot, hello. Noel, hello. Oy, hello. Good morning. Yeah, where are you? Like, what city? Oy, what are you doing? Makati? You know, you know MOA. Do you know the MOA, Jack? Ano ba yung Makati? You know, yesterday I've been in the MOA. Ala, hello. Senzoku, thank you. Thank you, Bunso. Thank you so much. Anur, hello. Oh, do you know Taguig? Thank you, Job. Do you know the Taguig? Ala, what are you doing? Hi, Sin. Good morning. Blue, hello. Kalong, hello. What is it? Ang tignan ko. Ano? Ano, Bunso? The Taguig, the Pasay. I know. Wait, Taguig. Yes. Yes, I know. I've been there yesterday. First, the Taguig in the BGC. Then the second is the MOA. Sanzoku, thank you. Silver Boy, how are you doing? Remy, hi. You should chat me. I forgot your your number because you deleted, right? Did you delete it? Thank you, Bunso.